Okay, see, see this particular wire, so it's called the oxygen sensor, which is also known as the O2 sensor. So this there's one oxygen sensor here, and there's another one down here. Let me from this one that show you this other one. Look at it. There's another one here. Then also, just the way it is here, there's another one like that again at the back. So the both of them are both oxygen sensor, but both of them do different work. This one and that other one down there, they are doing different work. So one of them is the one involving fuel, the control of fuel, how your car consumes fuel, while the other one is to check for the catalytic converter, how the catalytic converter is working. So, and one of them is more important than the other one. So this one here is more important than that one. So because this one calculates the amount of air and fuel, that is this one calculates the amount of exhaust gas that come out from this after combustion. So this one now tell the ECU. This one is 2.0. This is a V6, a 3.3 liter V6, which is also a 3MZ engine. So it's a V6. So the way he has this exhaust manifold here, he also has another manifold at the back inside. So this oxygen sensor, before the catalytic converter, this particular place is where the catalytic converter is. So this one sends signal to the ECU, which is inside the, according like Toyota build their ECU inside the car dashboard. It's in between the AC filter and the dashboard inside the car. But if it's like Mercedes now, the ECU will be at the top here. It will just be at the top. Just one little bus. You see wire connected into the little bus. But for Toyota is inside. So this one now will send current to the ECU, just like the supervisor, to tell the ECU to the ECU now is like the manager. Look at this one. Is the mass airflow sensor. This one is the mass airflow sensor. So how does this one work now? This oxygen sensor will send a signal direct to the ECU to tell the ECU whether to inject more fuel or more air. So the process of telling if the ECU inject more fuel and there's no enough air, that's lame. The car will be on lame mode. It won't be able to accelerate. So the car will not be using force, and that force will also mean more fuel